called the Burberry Flash. Hello and welcome back to the BJONESSTYLE channel. Today we are shopping like a pro. I'm going to bring you in to how I shop like a pro at vintage stores. So we're going to just go through the whole process. We're going to dive into this amazing and one of my favorite vintage stores, Retropolis in Fullerton, California. And I'm going to share my tips and tricks, my secrets, and also, of course, the amazing things I find. Number one tip when you head into a vintage store, because it can be overwhelming, go in with a little bit of a plan. I like to go in with a mood board. We are in fall, so I'm thinking about fall trends that I love, and for me, I create characters for the different trends. So I create mood boards with those trends and characters in mind. First of all, I have the Balmoral Belle, so very countryside British. I also have the dark romantic, so very 1800s poet, blouses with lots of ruffles, lace, a little bit moody and dark at the same time. Also have the Valentino icon, so very inspired by the Valentino runway for fall 25 and winter 26. And finally I have the nomadic spirit, which is bohemian but with a little bit of this nomadic traveler. So those are the different inspirations that I will approach the store with, and of course if there's anything that jumps out to me, I'll grab it, but I am going to go in with those mood boards in mind. Tip number two is that first just come in the store and get a feeling of the store and do just a good walk around. Also in a store like this and other stores, there's highlighted items high up on the wall. So if there's anything you see right away that's jumping out to you, grab those. But overall, just get a sense of the store and get a feel before you really start to dig. One thing that I'm looking for is just some good graphic tees that I can do layering with. I'm realizing I don't have those pieces in my closet, or I just have a few. So that is something I'm going to look for while I'm here. So I'm going to dig into the t-shirts. Found this vintage Las Vegas tee. I love that it has like an athletic feel to it, like a jersey, but then it's Las Vegas. I think that's fun. I did my walk through, kind of saw what's happening here in the store, and now I'm gonna really start to dig. So I'm gonna go rack by rack. One thing I love about coming to Retropolis is just that it's so well curated. It's, you know, each kind of era is together or aesthetic or whatever, so it really makes it easy. It doesn't feel as overwhelming, and it's just so much fun. Right away I found this amazing velvet blazer. This feels very nomadic spirit to me, so with my inspiration in mind, that kind of was calling my name, and I really don't have anything like this in my closet. It feels like a perfect fall edition. Perfect layer for the dark romantic. We have this amazing vintage Burberry trench. I think this is incredible, and I think something to also think about is not worrying too much about size, but just more of like how it feels on you. Just kind of a great classic. I love that it's black and has this amazing interior. It's called the Burberry Flash. Another tip for approaching a vintage store, especially if you're not somebody who shops in vintage stores that often, it's a great place to find those staples that everyone should have in their closet, like a leather jacket, a denim jacket, also just a camo jacket. All of these pieces are things that I feel like you might find in the mall, but maybe just go and find the authentic version in some of these stores. So there's a whole rack of denim jackets here, there's a whole rack of leather jackets, a whole rack of camo jackets. So just kind of think about those closet staples, and if you see something online, maybe be inspired to check it out at a vintage store instead. Such an amazing piece to add to the fall closet. This feels very Anna Sui Balmoral Belle inspiration, like that English countryside inspiration, but with some more uniqueness to it because of the color. But oh, that's so amazing. This is a very hard find, and so I never even think that I can find them, but just spotted these Calvin Klein jodhpur pants. So probably like a 90s version of the jodhpur. That's amazing, and it's corduroy. Another mention on just like finding groups of things that are hard to find. This whole rack is plaid skirts. So I feel like those are sometimes little needles in the haystack, but the fact that there's an entire section of them, you can really find one that you love. I love this one just because to me the shape is a little bit different. Normally they're the pleated skirts, but this one fits a little more kind of straight with a little pleat detail. I also just love the green. This is a 90s version of the plaid skirt, but very, very cute. I'm in the Halloween section of the store, which I always love to look at, and I found this amazing kind of poet style blouse. I love the detail up here at the top, and also it's got really dramatic sleeves, which I really love. There is a stain on it, but I don't know, I kind of don't care sometimes, so we're gonna try this one on. And then of course looking for the Valentino icon, very 1970s jet set, but with a little bit of a twist to it. I love this 70s suit. I also love the green. It's got the dagger collars. And then with that inspiration, probably like some kind of a cool fur or boa around the neck or ruffly top. Very fun. Goal today was also to look for really good graphic tees, and this one just came off the up high. I love the Vince Lombardi School decal of it. It's so good. I've gone through the whole store. I found the pieces that I'm excited about, and so I'm going to try them on. First thing is this amazing poet blouse. I love the fit of it. I love just kind of the airiness of it as well, and all of the drama that I am looking for with this inspiration of the dark romantic. You kind of button it up, then you're gonna have more of a balloon sleeve. And I also just love the idea of it being tucked in with all this volume here. This is a really good one. You have the velvet kind of paisley jacket. I think what I like about this is the fit and the size of it. It's more of a cropped fit. I have pieces like this, but they're longer and more dramatic, so I feel like this is a good like everyday piece for the nomadic spirit. And I just love it. I love the colors of it too.
Ooh.
We have
sorry.
the plaid skirt, which I absolutely love. I love this. I love the fit of it. I like that it's more of a straight fit with a little bit of pleats. And then how cute is it with this t-shirt? I think that's such a fun little combo. It makes it much more easy breezy for a fall outfit. All right, the jodhpurs, which even have stirrups on the bottom. So if you want to put boots over them, it fits. Where it kind of goes into the boot and the little insides. So cute. This is the classic Balmoral belt. Just make this leather cute. I like belts. So fun. And then my next tip is just to evaluate everything you try on. I always think you should try everything on before you make a decision and then, you know, evaluate from there. I'm thinking about things that I feel like will fill a gap or something I've been looking for. And in particular, I was actually literally this morning just looking at like a plaid, more of a midi length straight skirt. And I found it, which is amazing. I also feel like this really hits the mark in terms of the look that I'm going for, but also a category I don't have in terms of the length of it. I feel like more of a cropped fit is something I don't have, so I love that I can play with this, also do layering with this, and then add more embellishments to it. Absolutely something I was looking for was a gray graphic tee. I love the navy and white. I love that it says Vince Lombardi on it, and to me this is absolute perfection. Then when it comes to my nose, I feel like I have a few of these types of jackets in my closet, so I don't feel like I need that. I also have amazing suits. I wasn't loving this once I got in the dressing room. And then the jodhpurs, I also have some jodhpurs at home, so I don't feel like I need a lot of jodhpurs. But those are my, oh, and the creamy poet blouse. I just feel like these are so great, and I feel like you can really wear them any season as well. really fun day always at Retropolis. You have to check out the store if you're ever in the Southern California area. It's in Fullerton, California. There's lots of restaurants and coffee shops around here, so it's kind of a good little day trip anyway. But absolutely one of my magical places that I always go to and always find some gems. So I'm excited to put them in my fall dresser closet. That's it for today. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel. I have new videos every single Thursday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And finally, always play dress up. Bye!